Hi everyone. I'm Mr. Catrone. I'll be your sixth grade math teacher this year. This year we're going to have a lot of fun in math. We're going to, pretty basic stuff. We're going to be adding and subtracting fractions, multiplying fractions. We're going to be working with ratios, percents and decimals, graphing coordinates, graphing data, integers, mixed operations, and many more stuff. But my main goal for this class is to make it fun. We're gonna have fun in this class. We're gonna be doing projects. We're gonna be doing not that much homework. Whenever I do assign homework, it'll be very minimum. But we'll also do group work. And we're gonna learn how to use this in the real world. If you want to be a teacher like me one day, or construction worker, or the president, or in order to play basketball, you need to know the trajectory of how you need to shoot the ball. So we're gonna have fun in this class, but we're gonna learn and we're gonna grow together. So thank you. Can't wait to get started.